And we are happy that the international media took interest in this matter. We saw Al Jazeera, we saw CNN, and we are happy with that coverage and support that we received. But however, we are still very concerned that the international community, our partners, have been very quiet. Blatant violation of human rights in Kenya, both last year when we had our demos. Our friends in the UK, in the US were quiet. And they turned a blind eye to the violation of human rights in Kenya now and last year. We are happy the AU has come out. But why are our international friends quiet? Is it because they have their blue-eyed boy, their puppet here? They do not want to condemn when he's doing blatant things like what we have seen, the death of this young man and 75 others. When there is corruption, other nations have been sanctioned. We saw the Speaker of the Ugandan Assembly being sanctioned by one of the countries. But when we have corruption in Kenya, a blind eye has been turned to William Ruto and the endemic corruption in the Kenya Kwanza government, including the fertilizer scandal we saw recently. The minister is still serving. Why are there double standards, we dare ask? Thank you.
Thank you. Quickly.
Thank you very much. First of all, I want to bring the apologies of a cold. I want to bring the apologies of my party leader, Raila Amolo Odinga. He has just from South Africa and is trying to rest, so he could not make it here, but he's with us. And I want also to take this opportunity to thank the 115 members of parliament, mainly from our coalition, who stood with the Kenyans to reject the finance bill 2024. I'm also saddened that some of our members decided to vote yes against their people's wishes. And as a coalition or as a party, we'll take disciplinary measures against those particular members because, as you have been informed, our own Secretary General communicated to them what they were supposed to do, and unfortunately, they never did that. Some of them are using local politics about the finance bill. Finance bill affects all Kenyans, does not affect a particular local community. So we have to come together as Kenyans and make sure that Kenyans get the right thing that is supposed to help them prosper as Kenyans in the future. Thank you.
Thank you. Babu, 1 minute. Robert Boy, you have anything?
Today we are here